Amigas, I was craving turron. It is a sweet candy taffy from Guadalajara. Let's make it. So we're going to need 3/4 cup sugar, half a cup of honey, 1 egg white, plenty of pink food coloring. On a low heat, you're going to mix your sugar and honey until well combined. Once it's well combined, you're just going to let it sit in that low heat. I had mine set to a 2 and come to a boil. Meanwhile, let's separate our yolk from our egg whites and let's whip up some egg whites into a thick meringue. That's perfect. All right, go back. Once it's coming to a boil like this and it's boiling up, you're ready to turn off the heat and instantly add in those meringued egg whites. Mix it right away. Do not let it cook because that heat is gonna start cooking those egg whites. So you wanna mix it in, fold it, and mix it until well mixed. All right, now that we've mixed it, we'll put it in a bowl and we're going to use our hand mixer while it's hot. You hand mix it until silky smooth. Now that we have it silky smooth, add plenty of pink food coloring to get that special turron color. There you go. And we're going to put it in saran wrap in a heat and cold safe container. This was very sticky. It was starting to harden as I was pouring it, so I was trying to work fast, but it was sticky. All right, now that we've let it cool down to room temperature, we're wrapping it up. It's still pretty moldable. And we're shaping it and we're putting it in the fridge for 1 hour. Now, an hour later, whoa, magic, we're gonna have a giant tongue. That's exactly what it needs to look like, a giant tongue. All right, it's nice and hard. So now we're gonna peel off all that saran wrap that got like encrusted in there, but I didn't care because I needed some turron. All right, now you're going to hit it. This is the best way to cut the turron. It is impossible to cut with scissors or pull. It's taffy, so it is hard. And you just want a little bit. It is very sweet, but the way that we eat it in Guadalajara is we top it with lime. My mouth is watering, sorry. Lots of chamoy and some tajin. And enjoy. Let's see what I think. Is it as good as Guadalajara? It's delicious. Not as good as Guadalajara's. Anyways, I hope you guys try this and get a little taste of Guadalajara. See you next time. Bye, amigas.